Finally got my tent mostly set up. Whew. Got my lemongrass straight from the garden. Shout out to Obey Foundation Autumn Wellness Land for the fresh lemongrass. Letting it dry in the sun. Finally, almost. It took a lot to get this rain fly up. But yeah, this is my little tent in the cut. I just got the mattress blown up. So I'm about to make the bed, put up my chairs, and then put my hammock up over here in these trees, because this is my view. So I'm gonna put it right here between these two trees. But first, the bed. It's my tent. Woo-hoo. My little group. A bunch of us is out here on both sides, chilling. All right, almost done.